everyone, Lena Skvagerson here. A warm welcome to this Learn, Make, Create episode with Annie's Creative Studio. In today's tutorial, we will take a close look at the stitches and techniques that you need to master to be able to crochet this great casual garment called the Top-Down Tunic. It's designed by talented Dora Orenstein. I wanted you all to get introduced to this design as I think it's such a trendy, basic and wearable design. Great also if you are somewhat new to making garments. We will take a close look at the stitches you need to master as well as the construction and some of the other things good to know when stitching the tunic. If you're a member, you can download this tunic pattern now, and if you are not a member yet, you can sign up to start watching and to download patterns for free today.